Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am explaining about miracle of sunscreen. Means how does the sunscreen protects our skin from the ozone, from the ultraviolet radiations or the heat energy. First point is here, sunscreen contains the active ingredients like titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. Here sunscreen also contains a carbon containing, means carbon based molecules that includes that absorb light, such as oxybenzone. Oxybenzone is carbon contain molecule, but it is also benzene based compound, and octinoxate, octisalate and avobenzene. Avobenzene is also the benzene based compound. This is the structure of benzene, molecular structure of benzene. C6H6 means 6 molecules of carbon and 6 molecules of hydrogen. Now we will discuss about UV radiations. UV radiations are the invisible rays that are part of the energy that comes from the sun. Invisible light rays are UV radiations that can burn our skin and cause skin cancer. Guys, UV radiations penetrate means enters into the earth atmosphere if there is depletion of ozone layer, means if there is damage of ozone layer. The ozone layer damages due to CFCs, means chlorofluorocarbons and refrigerators, etc. Here the UV rays made up of 3 types of rays that called UVA, means ultraviolet radiation A, ultraviolet radiation B, ultraviolet radiation C. Here ultraviolet radiation C is the most dangerous, but it cannot penetrate, it cannot enters into the earth protective ozone layer, it cannot enters into the earth atmosphere. It means it cannot cross the earth protective ozone layer. Ozone layer is present at the stratosphere, guys. Now UVC, ultraviolet radiation C, cannot enter the earth ozone layer. Now there are another two, UVA means ultraviolet radiation A and ultraviolet radiation B. These two ultraviolet rays penetrate into ozone layer and reach the earth surface of the planet, its atmosphere. Ultraviolet radiation A is weaker than the ultraviolet radiation B, but it is also passes into the skin more than UV rays passes into the skin more than the UVB rays. When we are applying the sunscreen to our screen, it reflects the UV and UVA and UVB rays. If ultraviolet radiation A and ultraviolet radiation B are penetrate into the skin, it enters into the skin means then it causes the skin diseases like skin cancer, etc. This is the earth atmosphere. This is the ozone layer, guys. Here ultraviolet radiations are entering, means if it is the ozone layer is depleted, means the ultraviolet radiations are enter into the earth atmosphere. Guys, here UV ultraviolet radiation A and B are entering into the earth atmosphere, but UVC is stopped by the ozone layer. It is more powerful than that A and B rays. It is more powerful than those rays, but it can't enter into the ozone layer. The sun rays are more dangerous at the time of 12 to 1 p.m. guys. It's vitamin D. You all know that thing. Vitamin D is present only in the morning sun rays, but not present in the afternoon sun rays. Guys, we discussed at first point that zinc oxide and titanium dioxide act as physical sun blocking factors. They reflect the ultraviolet rays, means zinc oxide and titanium dioxide present in the sunscreen. When we apply that sunscreen, these two ingredients reflect the UV rays back into the atmosphere. Organic and other organic chemicals also present, such as avobenzone, oxybenzone. These two bonds, these two molecules absorb the UV rays, guys. That UV rays are not absorbing into skin, it absorbing by that avobenzone and oxybenzone molecules through their chemical bonds. As the bonds absorb UV radiation, that chemical components of the sunscreen slowly break down and release the heat energy from that UV ultraviolet radiations. Now, what is mean by SPF compound? What is the full form of SPF? It is important thing, guys. SPS, it is present in the sunscreen bottles. SPS means and sun protection factor, and refers to how well the sunscreen protects against one type of UV radiation. It protects only from the UVB ultraviolet radiation, guys. A sunscreen with an SPF of 15, it power 15 means it protect 93% of the ultraviolet B radiation. If SPF 30 means it protects 97% of ultraviolet B radiations. But no SPF can block 100% of the UV radiations. Sorry, guys. Examples of UVA blockers. Avobenzone molecule is the blocker of UVA. Methane anthranilate, it is also blocker of UVA. And acamzine, it is also blocker of UVA. Ultraviolet B radiation blocker is homosalate and octyl methoxynilimate. And blockers of UVA and UVB blockers are oxybenzone and titanium dioxide, guys. These are the molecules of these are UVA blockers. Avobenzone molecule is structure is this one, guys. These are also the structures of that blockers of UVA radiations. This is also the structure of UVB blocker. This is also the structure of UVB blockers. These are not important much more, guys. But we will discuss about this means we will get another general knowledge. It is also important in future. Sometimes they will ask questions like this ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B and ultraviolet C radiations, guys. The blockers of UVA and UVB are oxybenzone and silizobenzone. These are the molecular structures of these molecular structures are not much more important. Okay, guys, I think you have understood my topic, guys. In next video I will come with other interesting topics, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.